Everybody, hope you're doing well. It's Sunday the 17th at 12 o'clock, so it's really the afternoon. Ash is at work, poor thing. It is humid. Pete wanted to have me go into Myers today, but I keep umming and ahhing over it because it is so humid that I really don't want to sit in the car for an hour and, go into the city. I want pork pies, but I don't want to sit in the car. We haven't been in so long. I think it's been about 2 months since we've been in. I've had a lovely morning. I dyed my hair, so I got rid of all my grays. I want to thank everybody. There's so many birthday wishes on my Facebook page. I want to thank everybody for that. Well, thank you. It's so kind. You're all so kind. So Pete and Ashley went out last night and got me... Dun, da, da, da. They don't call it an iWatch, do they? They just call it an Apple Watch. I'm just into gadgets. I don't know when I changed. I do know when I changed. I changed when I got my first iPhone. I just love the Apple products and I love things like this. It's the rose gold one with the light tan. Hey guys, I'm going to love and leave you for now. I want to give my mum a call later and thank her. Mum sent me some money and she did it the clever way, clever but sneaky way. She put it right into my bank account, which cost her more money. So thank you very much, Mum. I really appreciate it. And your card came on Friday, so I have that. I didn't want you to send anything. My 50th, my mother did so much for us, and I can't get over how much she did for the three of us. And it was supposed to be for birthdays for years to come, but Mum has not stuck to that. It was supposed to be birthday and Christmas, and she didn't stick to that either. She keeps treating us, and I'm so appreciative, and it's, we love you, Mum. Figure out what I'm putting on now because it's that hot I don't even want to put clothes on. You figure out what I'm putting on and I will talk to you guys in a bit. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday so far. So I've got Pete testing out the car. I just asked him what the thermometer was reading. He said 105. That's because it's been sitting in the sun, but it's up there. It is hot. I feel bad Ashley's in that dress. Yeah, that's what she didn't put her on until she was getting in there. Yeah. The stores were all open. She was like, "Hey, they're gonna get everybody coming and knocking on the door because they're not opening early." Yeah, when I was after I dropped her off, I was going down that street and there was people coming out of the store already, so they've already had to open up. Today's the last day, I think. Yeah. Okay, it hasn't gotten any cooler. It is 5 to 5. Pete has left to pick up Ashley. I think we're gonna go for a ride on the boat. And I'm gonna go. Shock horror. I said to Pete before, I said, when Ash gets home, why don't you take her out on the boat? He goes, we're not going to leave you tonight. I said, well, maybe I'll come. I wasn't being funny. I just thought, because she hasn't been on the boat much, thought it'd be nice. But then I thought, yeah, maybe I'll get some pretty sunset pictures on the boat, because I haven't really done much today to vlog. You're going to go, that's a real exciting birthday. This is how it needed to be. Peter's fallen asleep 3 times in that chair. I feel bad. He's exhausted. But you get exhausted when you're running around like a crazy person. He goes from one job to the next. My mum called, so I had a nice chat with my mum. And what was I going to say? We had a nice chat with mum. Or was she what? I had a really nice chat with mum. Over on my desk you can see some beautiful flowers that Claire in England sent over for my birthday. And Pete's mum stopped by, but she left. She left this book on the back deck for me. It's Vanity Fair, but she left it because it has the Queen and her corgis. And she left me a nice birthday card. I didn't video at the grocery store because it was just a lot of people. And everybody's miserable with the humidity, so yeah, I didn't want to start bringing out my camera. I just wanted to get in and out as quick as possible. So that's it. So when Ash gets back from work, we'll see what kind of day she's had, if she's up for a ride on the boat, and then later on we will make steak on the grill. So that'll be good, won't it, Roxy? You don't mind if we go out for a little ride, do you? We're going to get you a little life jacket and take you one day. What do you think to that? You're just going to lick your foot? Okay. Okay, we're going for a boat ride. Pete's in his glory now. She's in a glory, she just got out of work. Can you sit on this side? Do you want
want to be in the picture?
How do I look? That's Ashley's favourite boat. And I think any other boat in there is Pete's favourite boat. Baby duck.
Oh, duck is so cute.
It was tiny, wasn't it? Brand new. Going out for its first swim. The trees that we had our wedding pictures done by. I usually show you guys it from the road when Ash and I have been to IHOP.
This girl's swinging on that swing chair like it's an actual swing.
Around here is where the boat used to be.
Yeah. On the other side, right?
Yeah, on the other side.
Yeah, where all your sunglasses are.
Yeah, all my sunglasses are at the bottom there, yeah.
Victorious. Oh, now that feels better.
Yeah.
Suddenly we got a breeze again.
Yeah.
You're in your glory, aren't you?
I love being out here.
I can see the wheels in your mind ticking. Ash is in her glory, right, Ash? That's where we were last night, behind the building by the big crane that Pete's grandfather built.
You're building a tugboat too.
What's that? Make sure we behave ourselves. Seaweed, I like that. So the big black crane is the one your grandfather built, correct?
Yep.
How many years did he work here?
A long time after the World War II to the mid-60s.
Oh wow.
Well bought fish shack. You can barely see it from here.
There's where we ate last night and last week. They have the best sandwiches.
That's like an ocean-going tug. It's actually not a tugboat, is it? Looks like a tugboat. Yeah, my grandfather, I remember the boat being docked here for a while.
Yeah. Your Pokemon fighter woman walk on water? Mine can. So the extra powers I got today.
Yeah.
Such a pretty house.
This one already has a dock all ready for them with the new thing.
Yeah. Oh, it's cooler up here.
With the breeze in place.
Nice little party going on over there, waterside.
Moon's coming up.
Huh?
Moon's up over there.
I thought
The
you
moon?
said water is coming up. I was like, what?
Remind me next time to bring my longer lens. New York City, guys. We were heading that way, but Ashley spotted fish. Pete slams on the brakes. Fish!
Mom, how cool it looks when you drive over fish.
Look, if you look, you can see all the ryes coming out. You want you to take a look?
Oh my God, I see him, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's tons.
Yeah.
They usually There's no like.
I feel like I'm whale watching.
Yeah.
Now they're all going under.
Look at that. There's a whole trail.
Now they're all gonna go under.
Oh, retreat, retreat.
Abort, abort.
You got a little wet there, didn't you?
I wish I was facing that way. See the moon above her. She's actually just got smothered in water. As I was trying to do the peaceful. It's all the boats.
Just keeps on going.
Yeah, this is why I don't come out too often. It shakes you back about. Gordon Bennett. If you're not seasick now, you will be. There's a big boat though. Watch out, there's rocks.
I always mess up.
We're passing Layla, where Ashley and I go and feed to Tiki Bar. And then over here is where we used to work. I used to work. So much fun. Getting shaken. Good old beach club. Guys, it's now 8:20 and we're heading in. How was your ride? Did you go a lot slower because I was on?
No. That was nice.
Did he, Ash?
You need to go get this fixed.
Yeah. Puppies?
Yeah.
When you get yours, so you have an excuse to go and get
He's training his daughter well. I'll sit here like Lady Mug. I said, Dad's training you well, and I'll just sit here like Lady Mug. There's Costco. Does anyone need anything? No, it's closed. And a full moon.
Okay, so now put it underneath the thing.
See, he's teaching her well.
Complete. Put it so it goes from behind it and pull up.
Yeah.
Pull tight.
They could be on below deck.
I am pulling.
Okay, wait.
You gotta pull yours tighter.
Mm.
You're pulling yours in.
Look how pretty the sky is.
Okay, now tie it off.
I'm just gonna hold it here so you can tie it off. I never know how to do your hands.
You do like a figure 8. You do when you tie it off, you go like that, and then when you do the locking, just turn it over, just like that. And when you close it on itself. Okay?
Got that, Ash? Mm-hmm. Don't want to be in the vlog. All these people just showed up out of nowhere. I hope they don't stay here when I try and get off this boat, because I cannot get off like a lady. Barbecue tonight. We got back from the boat so late we decided to pick up a pizza so we could all eat now, because Ashley hasn't had lunch, have you? Oh, you haven't eaten at all today. Oh, that's not good. So we'll do the steak tomorrow, and we're watching the new Amish show. There's a couple of my cards. I got more upstairs, and there's a hot dog. Hey. Just $19.95 in the next 12 minutes. Thank you. Thank you. Bless you. Bless you. Guys, I just edited yesterday's vlog. It's just uploading now, and then I can make it live. I just wanted to say good night. It's been a great day. We had so much fun out on the boat. Sorry if there's way too much boat footage, but it was just nice being out there, and it was, you know, seeing all the other boats and everybody else out there. It was just a really nice, relaxed evening. So that's why we did the pizza, because by the time we barbecued and got everything ready, we would have just started eating now. So we will do that tomorrow night. So I've enjoyed today, and we just had a little piece of cake, and that was nice. I was going to change my sheets this morning. I didn't get that far, so I'll have to do those tomorrow now. Because I just want to plonk down now and relax, because I'm exhausted, and it's going to be a busy week after tomorrow. Anyway guys, I hope you've had a brilliant weekend. I hope you had a brilliant Sunday. Whatever you guys did today, I hope it was a good one, and I will definitely see you later. Good night. Okay, so we're back here, and Ash is having what I had last time. Pete, what did you get, Pete?
Shrimp gumbo, but without the shrimp.